So this is the sesame Basque Cheesecake. We're testing something new this weekend. Black sesame praline that we got from the event. And we've got our vanilla Basque Cheesecake base. And we're going to put this through the cheesecake and see what it's like tomorrow. So there's the mix. We're going to put this in the oven and then we'll let this rest overnight and cut it for tomorrow. See how it is. We'll leave that to rest overnight. Cut it first thing in the morning. Let's see how it is. Come back tomorrow.